Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Peter, good morning. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Good
dear.
morning.
Children, we don't have much to do in writing section. As you already know, comprehensions, that's not easy to do online, but still I'll try to do later. As of now, in the writing section, we don't have much to do. And I've seen whenever I tell you to do some writing part, one by one, all of you disappear. But I can't help it. It's a creative writing class, so I have no options apart from the fact that I tell you to write. Okay, yesterday we had discussed one letter to the editor. Does anyone remember the topic?
Water logging or water harvesting and logging.
Yes, basically we talked about the spread of diseases in the rainy season. Because of what? What was happening? Mosquitoes. Fine. And diseases like malaria and dengue were spreading. This is one of the contemporary topics that we have now. Relevant topics related to the present times. One more is COVID. Okay, this time. So we expect 2-3 topics which are contemporary, which may be important from examination point of view. So one is this, and the second is COVID. Okay. So obviously we can expect something from COVID also related to COVID. Have we discussed the letter where people are not following the COVID guidelines? Did we discuss this letter in the class? No. This is what we are
No,
going to
ma'am.
discuss. This is a very important topic in the present scenario examination point of view. We are going to write a letter to the editor and show our concern that people are not following the COVID guidelines or the COVID protocol which has been set by the government. I hope you know what are the COVID guidelines and COVID protocols. Come on, share it with me. Any one or two? Come on. What are the COVID guidelines, precautionary guidelines of COVID protocol? Tell me, Peter. What are we
Ma'am, to
supposed to
maintain social
Ma'am,
distance.
to maintain social distancing, to wear mask.
Very good. To maintain social distancing, wear masks. Yes.
And after 1 minute, 1 or
Washing hands after few minutes. Very good. Yes. And if somebody is infected or is having a doubt that yes, that person is infected, then self-isolation very important, right? Self-isolation, medication under the supervision of a good doctor. And most important is the quarantine rules. Most of the people, they hide. If somebody is coming from outside in the family and they're supposed to quarantine for 14 days or whatever, they hide it. That yes, some visitor has come. Last week, if you read in the newspaper in Bareilly, we had cases, and all the cases were the ones who had come from other districts. Nobody was from Bareilly. All those people who had come from other districts to Bareilly, they were the ones who were positive. They were carrying this infection to Bareilly. So what is happening? Generally, if a person comes from outside, as a government guideline, as a protocol, he is supposed to quarantine himself for 14 days. We people are not doing this. Nobody is following this. Look at the mob on railway stations, bus stops, restaurants, markets. The shopkeepers are not bothered. The customers are not bothered. Nobody is wearing masks. Nobody is bothered about social distancing.
Excuse me, ma'am.
excuse me, ma'am.
One at a
Then
time.
please
Bachche.
allow
Yes.
Ma'am, Ritu and Riva are in waiting room. Please allow them.
Chalo, 26 only it is. I'll do it. So we need to write a letter to the editor where we are going to draw the attention of the general public and the authorities, both. It is not only for public, and give your suggestions also. How do you think we can motivate the public for following these rules? Should we impose a heavy monetary fine on them, or any kind of a punishment you feel, or you feel only motivation is enough that way? So your suggestions and all. Before we start, I'll give you 1 minute. Please plan your first paragraph. I've told you so many times, first paragraph means only the purpose of writing the letter. Okay?
Ma'am,
Be
letter
ready?
to the editor we have to write now.
Yes, beta. Just the first paragraph has to be planned.
Ma'am, on the
Before
guidelines of the COVID.
that is what I'm coming to. You people will first tell me the subject. You have to show your concern that people are not following the COVID guidelines or COVID protocol is not being followed by people. So tell me the subject and the first paragraph. Think for a minute and then let's start. Subject and first paragraph. Remember, first paragraph
Ma'am,
you only need
subject
to
is
writing.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
subject is protocol are not followed by the public of COVID.
Okay, it would be better if we say COVID protocol not being followed. Protocol
Yes,
not
ma'am.
followed of COVID से better है COVID protocol not followed. Okay, start with the first
Yes, ma'am.
paragraph.
Ma'am, through the column of your esteemed newspaper, I wish to draw the kind attention on the concerned authority as the COVID protocols are not being followed by the public peoples.
See, first paragraph is done over here. We need not write much. We have to only tell that why we are writing this letter, which is already mentioned. And there is no word as peoples. It's only people. Never say peoples. People already means plural only. Okay, so do not say people.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Devansh, never peoples. It is people. People already means plural. Very good is given me the first paragraph.
Ma'am, please
Shall you
allow
plan the
Fawaz
second
as he
paragraph?
disconnected.
Okay. Okay, beta. First paragraph is going to be same for everybody. So no point discussing
Excuse
it
me,
again
ma'am.
and again. So what you need to plan now is the second paragraph, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, I'm listening, beta.
Ma'am, please allow Fawaz as he
I'm
disconnect.
doing that. I'm doing that. You plan your second paragraph. Hurry up, children. All of you plan the second paragraph. Maximum word limit of the letter should be second paragraph. That means second paragraph should be in detail. Hurry up, raise your hands. Whoever is ready with the second paragraph.
Ma'am, may I speak?
Beta, how many words was counted?
Okay.
Yes. How many words Devansh in the second paragraph?
Ma'am, around 25 to 30.
So beta then कैसे हो पाएगा? Huh? The first paragraph is only 30 words maximum because we write only 2 sentences. Why we are writing the letter? Last paragraph is again 40, maximum 40 words, where we will request the authorities to take an action. So 40 plus 40 भी अगर कर ले, 40 plus 30 makes 70, 60 to 70 words in the first and the last paragraph. So the rest 70 to 80 words, at least 80. Keep the target of 80 in the second paragraph so that last में जाके the word limit does not be less. 2 more points, Ivansh, and then speak. Let
Yes.
me see who all are ready. Yes, Abhinav, done बच्चे? Abhinav, are we ready with the
Yes, ma'am.
second paragraph? Okay,
Yes,
prepare
ma'am.
quickly, Ariva. What about you? Ariva? I want everybody to speak out, please. Ariva, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, please prepare. Aryan Gupta. Aryan Gupta.
Ma'am, I am
Any
preparing.
problem? Okay,
No, ma'am.
please prepare quickly. Faiz. Faiz, have you done with it? Second paragraph? You have to just describe around you what you see that people are not following COVID protocols. Arya, please, Fawaz, you are done?
No, ma'am.
Arya Bache. Pratik. Pratik Pandey. Done?
Ma'am, doing.
Okay. Ritul.
I'm doing.
Okay. Soni Sharma.
Ma'am, I am doing.
Yes, dear. Soumya.
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Fine. Sparsh.
No, ma'am.
Arya Bacha. Suryansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Suryansh. Ready?
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
you need some time?
Ma'am, I need.
Okay. Raise your hands those who are ready. Good to see you regular now, Suryansh. Very nice to see this. Utkarsh.
1 minute.
Okay, beta.
1 minute.
Okay. Devansh has raised his hand. Let's see what Devansh has to speak. Speak, Devansh. Start.
Yes, ma'am. As in the pandemic time, the people is not wearing mask properly and not following the COVID protocol, as they are moving without mask in the in the public area, such as mm, in market, without wearing mask and without following the social distancing. And sometimes some people eat open items of food, which can cause diseases. So, and some people don't wash properly hands before eating. In as COVID, as there are many cases in as there are many cases as there are many cases of COVID in Bareilly. That's why I request to the editor. No, I request to the government for to take the. Ma'am, 1 minute.
See, beta, the requests and suggestions in the last paragraph, Devansh. Okay. Whatever you're
Yes, ma'am.
requesting the government, whatever requests or suggestions you're doing for the public, do it in the last paragraph. This much is fine. This is well for the second paragraph. This is sufficient. Suggestions, requests only in the second paragraph.
Yes.
Okay, who will speak next? Ariva, you said you're ready now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Speak your second paragraph.
Till last year, people were all scared about COVID. For a long time, people did not step outside the house. Now, with daily cases near about last year's peak, people are turning a blind eye towards COVID guidelines. Print media, TV did inform every nook and crannies of country about pandemic, but guidelines to follow merely are a piece of paper which is not strictly followed and brought into action. Social distancing, avoiding mass gathering, wearing masks are not followed obediently. Country has already dealt with a severe blow of COVID second wave. We had masks on until we feared the pandemic. It is to be brought into limelight that it is actually our carelessness which strengthened infection and contamination chains, and gradually it turned into another wave. So it is so so we have to follow the guidelines in order to avoid any deadly another wave.
Excellent, beta. Very well spoken and very nicely written. Good vocabulary used. Very nice. Abhinav, ready? Abhinav,
Yes,
ready
ma'am.
or you need? Shall I speak? And next, Faiz, be ready. Abhinav, we are waiting for you.
Oh, as we all know that the corona cases are on a rise from past few months, despite of the fact that people are not following the rules and the COVID protocols that are being given by the government. So, despite of the increase in the number of cases, the people are careless about the COVID. But the last year they were so much scared of the corona that they were not moving out of the houses without the mask. And but this year they are careless and they are going out of the house without the mask, not maintaining proper social distancing, and they are also not informing the government that they are infected, or they are just they are hiding their uh, diseases, which can lead to more increase in the cases.
Excellent, beta. You people have understood now. Second paragraph, only details have to be given. Those who've spoken can plan the last paragraph. In very few words, you have to give your suggestions and requests. Very well spoken, very well planned. Aryan Gupta, are we ready? Aryan Gupta,
Ma'am, 1
ready or
minute.
you need some time? Okay.
Ma'am,
Faiz, are
need
you
some
ready?
time.
Okay, I'll wait. Faiz, you're done? Faiz, Fawaz, Buddha brothers, where have you
Yes,
gone?
ma'am.
Ready or you want some time?
And time.
Okay, Pratik, are you ready?
No, ma'am. I might want some time.
Hurry up, beta, hurry up. Sony,
I'm just 1 minute.
okay. Soumya, Soumya, you're done? Sparsh, Suryansh, Utkarsh, who is ready? Quickly, everybody needs to speak. Please hurry up quickly, quickly. I'm going to come back to all of you again. Hurry up, please. Hurry up, dear, hurry up. You have to speak. Hurry up, Sony. You said 1 minute. Quickly. Yes. Shalva River. Ready? Speak better. Riva.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, I'm giving last 2 minutes. All of you be ready now. I'll give you 2-3 minutes. One by one, I'll keep calling. Nobody will speak. So take 3 minutes. Everybody wind up. It's a small paragraph, hardly 70 words.
Ma'am, last
can-
paragraph.
No, better second one.
Ma'am,
Devanshu.
second one I have already spoken.
I'm talking about others.
Ma'am, may I speak?
Yes, which is
This pandemic has strongly affected the jobs, business, and other sectors. In last few months, cases has increased a lot, but people are not following COVID guidelines. They are not wearing mask properly and gathering at places in markets, and they are also not following social distancing. If this would be continued, this can lead to worst situations in our society. If this would not be controlled, then people will.
that's all. Very good. Well done. Yes. Who's speaking next? Beta, everybody has to speak. So Beta, you start. How long will I call your names, children? First, Suryan, Shutkash. How much time more? Children, this is really sad, really sad. See, when you're told to speak one by one, gradually you disappear. This is when I'm not even telling you to write. But you have to do this, dear. There are no options. The writing part is there. What will you do? Okay, Suryan, you're ready?
I just need 1 more.
Okay, Utkarsh.
Last minute, 1 minute.
Okay, beta. Yes, Peter. Is that 1 minute done now?
Ma'am, can I speak?
Yes, of course, Ranch. Thank God you're there. I thought you must have left. Man,
Yes, ma'am. Can I speak?
Suryansh, 1 minute is done. Utkarsh.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I speak?
Yes, Suryansh, speak better.
Ma'am, COVID has affected variety of fields in India. Ma'am, many people have lost their jobs while others are suffering. Ma'am, in this challenging times, we should follow some protocols to protect ourselves and others from COVID-19. Ma'am, such as ma'am, get a COVID-19 vaccine, which is the most important. Wear a mask that covers your nose and mouth and secure it under your chin. Ma'am, stay 6 feet away from others. Avoid crowds and wash your hands often with soap or hand sanitizer.
Excellent. See, he has also reminded us of the COVID protocols side by side, simultaneously, making the people aware also and reminding us also. Very good. Utkarsh
Can I?
Bache,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the last few weeks,
speak
the
better.
second wave is not affected much as compared to the last month. After surveying the cases, uh, uh, government releases in some places and institutions to open, people forget to maintain social distancing and forget to wear mask, due to which the probability of third wave uh, come the risk of third wave is more, and this also shows the fact that people uh, lack of discipline and moral values.
Very good, Utkarsh. Very well done. Excellency. This shows that all of you can do it so nicely. Who has not spoken the second? Aryan, have you spoken the second paragraph? Aryan Gupta.
No, ma'am.
Chalo, beta, are you ready? By the time others, we still have 5 minutes. Last paragraph from you. I want Devansh be ready with the last one. Aryan, boliye beta.
Ma'am, the entire world is going through challenging and tough times. It is very sad that in our country, many people are taking it lightly. In spite of lockdown, they are coming out in the group. Whenever people do this, they become exposed to the possibility of being infected with it. And the Indian government has taken many steps to prevent the measure. All school, colleges, etc. have become closed, being closed.
Okay, very nice. Well planned. Anyone else? Please conclude your Conclude, beta. Conclude, bache.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
I hope
Speak the last
so.
time. Finish it
Yes,
off
ma'am.
and then you can also leave. I'm absolutely okay. Mind up.
I hope that the concerned authorities will take adequate steps to stop this. I suggest that people should not step out of their homes whenever it is not very important to go out, and they should wear a mask and follow proper social distancing while going out of their homes. And if they do not follow proper guidelines and protocols, then government should punish them.
Very good. She's given her suggestion that people should do this, and still, if they're not doing it, then government should punish them. Now it is on the government to decide how to punish. Very good. Whether to take a fine or to put them in jail, whatever, that is government to decide. Very nice. Okay, who's going to conclude now quickly? Conclude and finish
So,
it. Yes, Peter.
so I hope that my letter will find some space in your esteemed newspaper and open the eye of the public and the authority. Your truly, yes,
Very good.
Devansh.
So he is hoping that the letter would surely be published in the newspaper and people will also be aware of things. Very nice conclusion. Well done. Anyone else left to conclude? You can conclude, you can leave. You're done with your work. Yes. Next. Who is going to conclude next? Ariba, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Speak, Peter.
Therefore, it is my humble request to please inform the people of following COVID-19 guidelines strictly through your newspaper, and also inform them about the punishment sought after by the government of India. Thanking you.
Very good. You also concluded. Anyone else who's left? Please conclude. Then you can leave. Your work is done. Conclude.
How many words we have to conclude?
Yes, yes. Wind up and leave. Those who finished the letter can leave. No issues. Devansh, you've also done. Suryansh and Utkarsh, speak the last line. That hope that it will be
Ma'am,
published and people will follow guidelines. That's all. Finish it up.
Education is the only way to aware the people to follow the guidelines by advertisement and by motivating them and by giving your own knowledge to keep people so that they will follow by heart and so that they will inform others to follow the guidelines.
Excellent, Utkarsh. Very good. See, your work is all complete. Now you can leave. No issues. Yes, who is left now to complete? Yes, Suryansh. Hurry up.
Ma'am, yes,
Wind up.
ma'am, the
Get because
coronavirus still poses a serious health public risk. Virus continuously changes and a new versions emerge. Ma'am, the new Delta variant is more contagious infections. Therefore, we should follow the protocols with by heart, and we should always avoid crowded areas.
very good, Suryansh. Well spoken. Yes, your conclusion is done. Very good. Chali, beta. Okay, thank you so much. We'll continue next.
Thank you,
Let me
ma'am.
see if there's anyone who's left. You've done your work. Aryan did not speak. Aryan? Everybody spoke. Aryan, you did not speak.
May I have second paragraph?
Second, na conclusion you have ready? Or you will speak tomorrow?
मैम थोड़ा सा लिखा है
थोड़ा सा
through the
बचा है,
medium
चल
of
पूरा कर।
yes.
speak. Yes, you can take your time, Kush. Devansh, you finished all the 3 paragraphs?
And through the medium of newspaper, I appeal to the people to stay indoors and help the government to tackle the situation.
Very good, very good. That's all for today. Hardly any time for the class. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay, beta. God bless you all. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, Bachi. Yes, Devansh, what mistake you did today which we corrected? Peoples.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the
Yes, ma'am.
peoples? हाँ, अभी गलती नहीं होगा ना? Peoples नहीं होता है. What is the right word?
People.
People. बहुत अच्छे, बहुत बढ़िया. You improved a lot. Very good. God bless you. How many marks you got in English this time, Devansh?
Yes, ma'am.
How many marks you got in English? This term. How many marks?
Hello. Hello.
I was asking what was your score? How many marks you got in English? Total of literature and grammar. What was the score? That's what I'm asking, bache. Unmute your audio, Devansh. Only then you'll be able to speak.
Ma'am, 11.
Okay. Fine. You're improving a lot. I'm sure you'll do very well, beta. Very nice.